Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can sign up into your character AI app on your Android device. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you need to click on your character AI app and open it. Once you get open, you have to click on the get started button. So once you do this, now you need to press the next button. So once you do this, the sign up button will automatically appear on your screen. So now you need to click the sign up button, which will then redirect you to its interface. So as you can see, there is a lot of ways to create an account. However, here I've shown you by entering my email address. Once I was done typing my email address, I simply started to type my password of the account. So once you're done with typing your password, you simply need to click on the I'm not a robot option and follow the steps to verify that you are a human being. So once you're done, you will get a verification code on your email. So after all this is done, you need to type in your username and your account is simply created. I hope you found this video really helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again. Thank you for watching.